10 new secret phone settings that will surprise you. 10 years ago, when there were 10 things to do, you needed 10 devices. Now, with a smartphone, you can make calls, text, watch TV shows, read the news, and make payments. You can even annoy the heck out of everybody around you. We found a few beneficial functions in your smartphone that will make your life easy. Setting number 3 is our favorite. Check it out, and you'll get access to the magic menu. Ooh! Counting down, number 10, lock screen message. Imagine you lost your phone. Oh no! And the screen is locked with a graphic key. You are the only one who knows that unique code, right? Even though it may look like you won't see your device anymore, you just might. Using a special feature in a new version of Android, just leave a message on the lock screen. For example, you can ask to have it returned. Go to Settings, Lock Screen and Security, Lock Screen Signature. Now, write a backup phone number or your email there. Done. Number 9. Smartphone Return Option. If the lock screen message is not enough, then use an anti-theft app. Such apps, Cerberus is one of them, can take pictures, activate a mic, block the phone and/or delete all the data on it, locate it via GPS, and even use a loud signal to draw the attention of people nearby. Number 8. Save the memory. Sooner or later, the memory on your device gets full. This is when you can use a flash memory card, cloud services like Dropbox, or back up your data onto a PC. But wait, there's another cool option. Just upload all your data to Telegram Messenger. Telegram allows you to send files, texts, and links to yourself. You can use it both as a notepad and cloud storage. Just find your number there and start using it. Number 7. Phone as CCTV. Use an old smartphone what's that, 3 years? To create a simple security system for your home. An app with a motion sensor function will turn your device into a CCTV cam that takes pictures when someone appears in view. It will send photos to you right away. You can also turn the smartphone into a video nanny for your baby. But remember that using specifically designated devices is always the best choice. Me, I'm holding out for the app that changes the baby's diapers. Wouldn't that be great? Number 6. Dash Cam. You can also use your smartphone as a DVR dash cam in your car. All you need to do is install your cam so it has the best view of the road. To make it work even better, use special DVR apps. Using a real DVR in your car is always the best choice. However, when on a trip in a rented vehicle, such a DIY dash cam may be handy. Number 5. UV light. What is that, a beer? Anyway, UV light can be useful, especially if you want to check the authenticity of banknotes. DIY by utilizing some tape, markers, and a smartphone, of course. Stick a piece of tape to the flashlight and paint over it with a blue pen. Repeat step 1, paint it purple. Then add 2 more layers the same way. Done! Number 4. Smartphone construction level. Any smartphone now has an accelerometer and a gyro sensor. Both allow it to determine the device's position in space. Download specific apps for Android and iOS, and your phone can replace a level device. It will definitely work for small construction. However, use real tools for a professional construction. Trust me, we're on the level about this. Number 3. Access to the magic menu. If you're serious about your smartphone and use it all the time, you may as well change its settings like a professional. To do so, you need to go to the Developer menu. Go to Settings, About the Phone, click 7 times on Model Number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Hey, congrats! Now you're the developer. Using this menu, you can improve the overall performance, signal reception quality, and system appearance. Number 2. Interesting stats. Does your family complain that you have become a smartphone addict? Then it is time to think about and find out how addicted you are by looking at some interesting stats. On iOS, simply go to Settings, Battery, and press the dial key to the right of the last 7 days column. A list of your most used apps will appear. For Android, you will have to install one more app. Yes, again, another app, another one, such as Instant. Another way to tell if you're addicted to your smartphone is, can you tell us the first names of your children? I thought so. And number 1, Monochrome mode. Do you want to save your battery and your eyesight? Then use your smartphone in monochrome mode while reading. Go to the magical Developers menu and find Simulate Anomaly. Then switch the monochrome mode on. Now your phone will work in black and white. What is your favorite phone brand, by the way? Do you know any other interesting smartphone features? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button below the video and click subscribe to join us on the bright side of life.